Operator panels are very important as the face of a machine. This interface transports information between human and machines. Even for price-sensitive applications, machine builders and operating personnel no longer want to realize them without a high-quality and modern visualization system. We have developed the Unified Basic Panels exactly for such applications. The Unified Basic Panels offer increased operating comfort. For example, detection of operating errors, palm on screen, and the new glass front has an anti-reflective coating and thus offers a brilliant display and very good readability, and that is very important for the users. For users, using the Unified Basic Panels is a new experience. They are very easy to use. They have many more basic objects and elements. The Unified Basic Panels with the same resolution and installation dimensions as the high-end panels offer perfect consistency with both its predecessor models and other panels in the Unified portfolio. And our Unified Basic Panels can be used not only with Siemens controllers, but also together with controllers from other manufacturers. What excites me are the new Unified Basic Panels with increased performance and system limits. We can now connect up to 8 PLCs, and up to 2,000 alarms and 300 images are possible. The typical features of consumer products, such as zooming, moving the zoom area, scrolling in a list, are now also possible on Unified Basic Panels. Very importantly, even at no extra cost, you can easily access and operate the Unified Basic Panel via web browser from your own device, like a mobile phone or tablet. As a user of the Unified Basic Panels with our entry-level models for a cost-effective machine solution, you can also benefit from the advantages of the unified system. With the Unified Basic Panels, you can set new standards in your segment.